Howdy there pluckers, Harvest Fingers back with you again for part 2 of my lessons on the Geronimo song from The Shadows. Okay, so this is going to be about the middle section of the song, or the bridge section if you want to call it that. Following the bridge section, middle section, we go into another verse which you've already got under your belt from part 1. Okay, and then all there is a bit of an outro, which is like an extension of the verse, which I'll show you later. Okay, so into the bridge section, then the lead section of the bridge section to start with, and the first part of it, or first phrase, is this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So I'm starting off with the 3rd fret on the A string, the 5th string, single hit, and then we go to the 3rd fret on the 4th string, and that's a dun da da dun. Then we go to the 2nd on the 3rd, 1st fret of the 2nd, right, so it's, then we got this bit, that's just the is the 3rd fret of the 2nd string to the 1st fret of the 2nd string twice. Just do that twice, okay? And then you do the 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd. So once again, the whole phrase. Okay, next phrase. So that's open 3rd to 2nd fret on the 3rd string 3 times. Alright. So it's 3 times like that. And then you play the open 3rd again. So it's, and then the open 4th. Okay, the D string. Right, so let's just do that again. So far. Okay, next phrase. That's 2nd on the 3rd to open 3rd twice. So 2nd on the 3rd to open 3rd twice. Open 4th, 2nd on the 4th. Okay, got that? So right from where we started off then, of the bridge. Okay. Now we go to the first part that you did again, exactly the same. Apart from there's a little bit on we add on to it, so it's exactly the same as the first time you played it. First on 5th string 3rd fret, then that 3rd fret of the 4th string, 2nd on the 3rd. 1st on the 2nd, 3rd on the 2nd to 1st twice, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, but this time we add a little bit on the end, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th. So the whole thing up to that point, okay, right from the beginning of the middle section. Okay, that's as far as we've got. and finally this little bit. That's right, what that is open third, dun da da dun, open second string, third fret second string, so it's, and then back to the third, so it's open third, dun da da dun, then open second string, third fret second string, open second string, open third, so it's, okay, and then we've got like an F shape, and that's third fret fourth string, another one's dun da da duns, second on the third, first on the second, back to the second on the third, open third, A minor strum. Okay, so that bit again, open third, open second, third on the second, open second, open third, third on the fourth, second on the third, first on the third, second on the third, open third, A minor strum. Okay, then at that point we go into the final verse, which is exactly the same as what you've learned in part one, you know, this sort of that one. Okay, so let's just go through the whole middle bit again slowly. Okay, right then, so let's do the rhythm to the bridge section then. So come out of the verse like that, into an F chord, where it goes, that's an F chord, okay? Dun, 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 da, 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 C, da, 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 G, da, 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 C, C7, add your pinky to the third fret of the third string on the C chord. F again, the dun 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 dun, da 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 da, C, G, dun 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 dun, F, dun 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 dun, A minor, dun. Now into another verse, dun da 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 da. Okay, so once again. Where it goes, that's what goes, dun 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 dun, F, da 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 da, C, da 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 da, G, da 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 da, C, da, C7, F, da dun 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 dun, da da, C, da dun dun, bum bum. G, dum 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 dum, F, dum 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 dum, A minor, dum dum dum. I mean, it's another verse, okay. And the only other thing is the ending. So you do the verse again, okay. So so it goes exactly as usual. And when you come out of the verse, you do that. But on the actual record, they do that one twice. Okay, so it goes. Okay, and then what happens is you play the intro again. Okay, here it goes. Okay, from the lead part. So after you come out of the intro. Right, and then what you do then is you play little chords, little trio, little 3-note chords. Okay, and when you finish on that, you go into this shape, like a D shape, but on the 9th and 10th fret. So I'm playing the 9th fret of the 3rd string and the top E string, 10th fret of the 2nd. Just play those top 3 strings, then go back to A minor again by playing that shape, which is 9th on the 3rd, 10th on the 2nd and 8th on the top E. Just those top 3 strings, then back to the A, back to the A minor, and back to the A, and it finishes on that. It finishes on the major rather than the minor. Okay, so you come out of that 3rd verse, and you play that second bit, that last bit twice, then you do the intro, then to the A chord, A minor, that's right, A minor, and you finish on the A. Okay, so there you have it. So that's the lead part, and all on the rhythm side, you come out of that. And then you do the intro. A minor to G to A minor, and then you play an A minor, A major, A minor, A major, and that's it. Okay, that's all there is in it. Thanks very much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, or lessons I should say, part 1 and part 2, and I'll see you in whatever comes next. Bye for now.